Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to back. This is Java programming. मेरा Danish. What is Java? Java is a programming language and platform. Java is a high-level, robust, secure, and project-oriented programming language. What is platform? Any hardware and software environments in which a program runs is known as a platform. Since Java has its own runtime environment, Java Runtime Environment and API. It is called a platform. Java applications, the first standalone application, uh, that is desktop application or Windows based application that we need to install on every machine such as media players, antivirus, so on. The second one is a web application that run on a server side and create dynamic pages is called web application. So, like currently Servlet, GSP, Struts, GSA, and so on. Technology are used to use for creating web application in Java. Enterprise applications such as banking application, for example AGP. Enterprise Java Bean is used to creating enterprise application, mobile application, and mobile application that create for mobiles. Currently Android and Java memory model are used for creating mobile applications. Java history. The history of Java started from Green Team, which initiated for evaluation task to develop a language for digital devices such as TVs, set-top boxes. Currently Java is used in internet programming, mobile devices, gaming, and business problem solution. Nowadays, plus 3 million devices use Java, run Java. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, Patrick Nathan initiated this language in 1991. That are the small team in Sun Microscope called Green Team. Earlier it was called Green Tech, and the extension is .gt. After that it was called Oak, and in 1995 it renamed to Java after development of some features. That is the Java version. The first JDK alpha and beta version developed in 1995, and the last Java version released 2018. Java SE 8. Importance of Java. Before starting Java, you should know about importance. What to do before we started Java? Core Java. Core Java means basics and ops knowledge of Java programming. Nowadays, every technology depends on Core Java. Without this, you are not eligible to be a programmer or a developer. You are nothing. Without Core Java, you are nothing. It's most of every engineer, software developer, programmer to have the knowledge of Core Java. It is requirements for the software developers, engineers, programmers. Core Java, cloud computing technologies, on-write mobile application technologies, Selenium soft testing framework for web framework, Hadoop. It is a position in software development, application framework, AFD development. This technology use for non-Java developers. ADV Java, structures, classes, Spring class, web services, design pattern, GSP, and etc. These technology are used by Java developers. That is Core Java. Basics and open knowledge of Java programming. We have a lot of data types in Java. There are mainly two types of data types in Java. First one, primitive data types, and the second one is non-primitive data types. Primitive data types we have boolean and numeric. In boolean data types we have the boolean that's accept two values, true or false. In the numeric we have character and integrals. The character accept the one character, and integral integer, byte, short, and long, In the floating point is float or double. In the non-primitive data types we use strings, arrays. In it is what is the difference between primitive and non-primitive data types? Primitive data types. A primitive data type is a predefined by the programming language. The size and type of variable values are specified, and it has no additional methods. Primitive data has a value and it has no additional methods. Primitive data type has no additional methods. And non-primitive data types, these data types are not actually defined by the programming language but are created by the program. Non-primitive data type creating by the programmer, like strings, arrays, and so on. Size and default value, we say that we know that the primitive data type has a value, but the non-primitive data type doesn't have value. These are default values for each primitive data types, and these are the size of these primitive data types. Now we jump to the VS Code editor. Integer, float, double, string, character, bytes, long. These are primitive data types. I create one data types from integer a is equal to 23, also be double. Now I want to print these data types values, plus concatenation operators. /n means new line, salary minus tax, because the tax will be minus by salary. I choose this program and run. Yes, the result is your age is 23, your total salary is 6,250 because the tax is minus from the salary. That is data types, primitive